Electric Charges and Fields Audio Revision Tour. Some of the important points to remember. The electrostatic field lines did not form closed loops because no electric field lines exist inside the charged body. At the intersection point, if electric field lines cross each other, then there would be two directions of electric field, which is not possible, so lines of forces never cross each other. As electric field inside a conductor is always zero, the electric lines of forces exert lateral pressure on each other leads to explain repulsion between like charges. Thus, in order to have stable spacing, the electric field lines are normal to the surface. Electric dipole moment of an electric dipole is equal to the product of its charges and the length of the electric dipole. It is denoted by P. Its unit is coulomb meter. A proton is placed in a uniform electric field directed along the position x-axis, then proton will tend to move along the x-axis in the direction of a uniform electric field. For a stable equilibrium, the angle between P and E is 0 degree. For unstable equilibrium, the angle between P and E is 180 degree. Electric flux linked with any surface is proportional to the total number of electric field lines that normally pass through that surface. It is a scalar quantity. SI unit of electric flux is Newton meter square per coulomb.